8 simple habits that can fix 80% of your problems. Express gratitude. Those who express gratitude witness more reasons to be grateful for. The more grateful you will become, the more success you will attract in abundance. Write 3 things you are grateful for in the morning and then start your day. Instead of immediately grabbing the phone and starting the day, choose to avoid usage of mobile phones or other gadgets. Use that time to plan your day and do visualization. Physical movement is crucial for healthy body, which results in healthy mind. Start simple. Give yourself at least 30 minutes of time for doing one small physical activity. Learn to celebrate your small accomplishments. By celebrating a small success, one can know how far they have come and where they have to go. While celebrating your small success, learn to appreciate yourself too. As you are working hard, you are ruling over criticism from the haters, so definitely an appreciation is required. Learn to set some boundaries, because one who knows how to set boundaries will never cross someone else's boundaries. Learn to say no, no matter someone likes or not. If something is looking inappropriate to you, just say a clear no, as that will save your time and energy in useless discussion. Stay focused on your goals and the work which you are doing in your present. You can also start some techniques for increasing your focus, such as starting with 25 minutes Pomodoro session at least once a day. Learn on daily basis, because constant learning and educating yourself is a mind-blowing habit shared by many successful people. The habit of mindfulness through meditation is shown to increase well-being, boost creativity, and provide some mental relaxation. Spend at least 15 minutes of meditation in silence, and while doing this, keep focus on your breath work. Thank you so much.